guys, so today's video we're hiding behind some garages. So it's a bit of a shh because we've got a load of houses hiding over here. I'm not going to give away location too much, but there's a set of secret tunnel hiding behind the garages. So without further ado, let's get past the sketchy part. Yeah, a bit metal there. It's dud. Now the question is, where did that fucking go? Let's go have a look. So we've been there before, guys, but it was night time, so the video wasn't going to come out very well. Now, as you might see, yeah, we've got new head torch as well. We'll test that out in a little while. So let's go up where Kieran wandered to. Gay boy, where you gone? Okay, what the hell's this? Oh shit! Yeah. You could do it, fatty.
No, I grabbed that and it was rotten.
Oh, the outside of a wall. Okay. That's a bit random. So we've got an old archway here.
Nothing up here.
It comes out and there's here. Okay. Well, we couldn't see that in the dark last time, that's for sure.
It's like an old hangout spot, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, let's get out of Kieran's way and laugh my ass off when he slips again. Let's catch it all on video. Yeah. Do a spectacular fall, I'll put it on You've Been Framed, yeah?
They don't exist anymore.
Try and get 250 quid.
Oh. Now that solved that mystery for me.
Right.
Going in here.
That was basically nothing, but I'm going to go and enter the other way, so I'll see daylight the other way. Yeah. Behind door number 1 is a dead end.
Can't see nothing in here, Andy.
Let me turn my little light on. No. It's just weird what these were carved out for.
Yeah, does that go any further back?
A little bit in front of me, but it's a dead end. Let's turn it right off. So yeah, I've been here before, but yeah, like I said, it's dark. And video didn't come out very well, so I'm not going to publish that one. They've got another arch there. I've still got a light on. Not really. Yeah, so that.
Been an entrance there, Andy.
That's where your head was. I was looking through the same part. There's another little arch there, but that's a dead end. I don't go nowhere. So here you've got another sort of entrance, but it doesn't look like it go anywhere.
That we know of, isn't it?
No, that we know of. So no, it's dead. Why is it? I don't know. It doesn't go up.
You sure?
No, I can see the top of it. So that's useless. Ugh. No, Spooky's going to have a look anyway.
yeah, it does actually.
I bet it don't go far. Well, got that way, not. I don't know any information on this area, guys, but when I do, I'll start putting it in the screen, sort of thing. So let's keep going. Right. So.
Up a bit further.
Yes, it was. Just further up on it. We've got to keep ourselves hid here, boys. We've got some windows.
Go for it, Andy. Get in that hole.
Look. Ooh. Oh, there's poo in here. Oh, lovely. Cat poo.
You're a cat?
Yes, right there. Look. Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm going to do.
Get daylight.
No.
I think we should.
Yeah. What are we going to do this?
Right.
I haven't even got my camera out yet.
I'm going to put my snood up.
Same here. If I can find it, I'll put it in my pocket, don't I?
So I kept it on your neck. Right, let's grab that one. And blind viewers. I'll turn the head torch off. There we go.
Your mask's inside out.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it don't matter, it's on anyway. Let's put the torch down a minute.
Good photo opportunity in here with that light bulb.
Yeah, it will be. Nice big black spider against all here.
Yeah, it's starting to become that season, isn't it, when they're coming out?
Yeah. Let's put you guys on the floor for a minute. Get some properly. Sort of sneeze out.
Alright guys, you're in Spooky Adventures. You join me. Come in a hole in behind some outlooking behind some garages that we found. Unless you got
Okay.
found behind the garages. You wouldn't have thought we would find that behind the garages, would you guys? So we're gonna climb in there. Just give me 1 second, peeps.
Okay.
In 1 minute, let me put me in the face mask.
Alright. So far, this is the first tunnel that's actually been paved. Look at that. The paving slabs. We've never seen a tunnel before. Yeah, there's quite a lot of spiders in here, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're all over the walls.
Don't touch the walls.
Yeah. Don't know what the next part's going to be like, but we'll see. Yeah, I think Kieran's right. I'll take a picture of that bike wheel. Use it as thumbnail. Alright, back in a sec, guys. Right, back again, guys. So, let's carry on, shall we? So, just taking a picture of the wheel.
Yeah, look at that, guys. An old motorbike wheel. Probably World War II or World War I.
It's been sat along, so it's a sprocket with a drum.
Yeah, it's a sprocket with a drum, look at that. As you guys probably know, I'm a big bike. I don't know what bike that is.
You notice that this is actually paving slabs.
Weird, huh?
Yeah. There's a seat there.
That's the old bike seat there.
The springs are stupid.
It's crazy.
I'd love to know what these tunnels actually were.
No idea what.
Why that's here. Got a lot of tree roots down there.
Yeah, growing through the tunnel, isn't it?
Mm. Now this is one of the sketchy bits. Yeah.
That's weird. Yeah, look at these guys. This is a bit of the tunnel collapse, isn't it?
Well, the wood's collapsed, but nothing else.
Look at the water droplets.
Yeah. Guys, if you ever consider doing stuff like this, if you consider it, be very careful. Me and Keiran are trained idiots.
Yeah, trained professionals.
Professional idiots. Go places we shouldn't always be half the time. But there you go. It's part of doing this, isn't it? So get you up like this. Yeah. There we go. See what I'm seeing now? Sort of thing. Right.
You go all the way through the other two, Andy?
Well, we might as well, aren't we?
Okay.
Make a video.
Is it slippy?
A little bit, yeah. I'm going to leave my water bottle here, you know. Stick it in the gap. Should we go right side then left, or left and
I'm
right?
going to put you guys on head now. So, give me a second, guys, I'll be back. It's up to you, Andy.
The last time we done right side then left, didn't we?
Do whichever way you want first, man.
Oh, I did left foot then right.
Get my torch away.
Yes guys, it is as dodgy as it looks. These all roots hanging down. Lots of them. And big void above our heads. This obviously collapsed a long time ago. I don't know. No, anyway, let's work our way through this bit. Oh shit. What am I doing this for? Just be on my knees. You right there, Keiran?
Yeah, just put my head down.
Oh god, that's a position like oh shit. Oh, I just pulled my leg a little bit. Yeah, in a position I haven't put it in a long time. Right, anyway, blinded by the light. It's always awkward when you've got extra stuff in your hands, guys. I have to wait for Keiran to catch up. Let's get a better position. There we go, right here. So, let's put a torch here. Yeah, do it. It's very precarious, a lot of this chalk.
It seems like it's
Smaller?
yeah.
No, it's the same as last time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't
leave this torch here, Andy.
Yeah, it's fine.
And come through.
Some of the places we go for our channels, it's mad. Let's turn this torch that way. Okay, so that's where we're heading. Don't know where it would have where it would have ended up.
How's my angle, Andy?
Maybe look at the back of your camera. Stick your hands out. Yeah, I see your hands, yeah.
Yeah, sorry guys, just checking the angle.
Check the angle of the dangle. It's flying with pride. We could do something like that.
Yeah. That used to be a way through.
Yeah, but where? Where would it go?
See the date on the wall, 1994.
Hmm.
A few years before I was born. May 29, 1994.
94, I was at school still.
So it's been open a long time.
Yeah.
Look at that, we've got the light back there now.
Yeah, that's quite cool, isn't it?
It's quite a good picture that actually.
Cool, yeah. Let's start turning around in.
Yeah, go on then.
Guys, if you ever come in these sort of tunnels, the open lined chalk ones, don't disturb it.
No,
Because it's known as the silent killer. It'll collapse without any warning. So you've got to be very careful not to disturb what's above you. But I treat it like a new car, you know, with a bit of respect. I'm going to have to put you guys somewhere. It's a bit difficult. Yeah. Get you on the little leggies. Let's try that. Bit leg guys. Let's get the viewers further through.
whatever you do, don't fart. Right. Face is right next to your arse.
Damn it, I should have brewed a nice big fart for you.
Oh god, yeah.
You'd have loved that.
Yeah, it smells freaking delish. I would have cupped it and sniffed it.
Yeah, okay. It wouldn't be Keiran's spooky adventures, and it'd be Keiran's smelly adventures. So we're going to go down that hole now, guys. This one's a bit easier that I can remember. Yes. Right. Come on, guys. Let's go in the slip and slide. Spin you around. Whew. Yeah, this one's better. Definitely. It's a bit longer, this one, isn't it? Not much though.
Oh my god. Never thought this would be behind some garages, would you?
No.
I think I've seen IKS being in here.
IKS have been in here, yeah.
They showed the entrance to this, but they didn't show where it was, so I had no idea.
Right. Was it Fat Wars now?
Oh yeah.
That's pathetic, wasn't it?
Oh shit, what are they?
Oh god. Right, shower for you when we get out of here then.
Huh?
Shower for you then when you get out of here. I don't like the shower. So another dead end. So I want to know where this is on the outside, because we've got two entrances going that way. But where's that in relation to outside? I don't know. I'd love to get a pin location of where this is, but I don't think I'm going to manage it. I'm going to give it a try. I'll put you on legs, boys.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a rest.
Are you going to rest your old weary bones?
If I don't make it out, guys, and this camera gets found, tell Andy Martin I love him. Nah, scratch him. I don't love him, I hate him.
That's bollocks, you know it is.
I love him as my best friend.
Your only best friend.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Can I get signal? Nothing yet.
Tell my wife and children I tried to make it out.
Well, that's a big lump of stuff above us.
Can you get up there?
It's a big sheet of like metal.
Oh.
I've got an idea where this could be on the outside, but I don't know. No, my phone's not going to pick this up. No, it's not going to do it. Ah, oh well. Not going to work, guys.
Oh, that just fell down.
Yeah, that's normally a good sign to get moving.
That just fell down and then hit me in the head.
Yeah, let's get out of this part here. If one bit comes, there's usually more that follow. And we haven't got our survival bags made up with us yet. Yeah, I'm going to make up some survival bags, guys. So if we ever get trapped in something like this, we got some supplies to keep us going until we manage to get out, sort of thing. If you've watched all our videos, you'll see we have been in some dodgy places. So yeah, this is definitely one. Huh. I think it's trying to dig away for your chalk. That'll take a while.
Yeah, it will.
I'm glad I'm using some this week's work uniform.
Yeah.
Come on, Keiran.
I'm out.
Right, let's
Get down there.
get down to the lined bit. I need to get my water bottle. I'll find it. Got it. Have I lost leaky key? No, thank God.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah. Let's get you on a long pole, shall we? Yeah. Right, come on. As always, guys, if I can find any info on this, I'll put it in. One of the, oh, you can't see me. One of the YouTubers I watched doing it, I can't find the video, so I'll have to have a look for it. Right. Yeah, so not a very big one, guys. But still thought I'd video it. I can see daylight down there this time. Last time I couldn't see anything.
Last time it was dark.
Last time was what? 9, 10 o'clock, wasn't it? Yeah. At least at night, by the way. So I'll get out through the hole, hide the torches, and I work just here. Just curious what size wheel that was. What is this? It's Dunlop.
Is it Dunlop?
Dunlop Universal.
Oh, has it still got air in it?
No. Actually flat. There's the sizes on it. That's a... There we go, so it's a 4.0018, so it's an 18-inch rim. Wow. The tread's seen a bit better days though.
It's not too bad over here though.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Right, let's go.
That's how they used to build motorcycles back in the day.
Yeah.
Right, that's it from Keiran's Spooky Adventures for this one. We'll see you in the next one, guys.
I'm gonna carry on until we get outside, guys. I'm gonna do a daytime finish, sort of ting. We'll sit torches in a bag outside, man. Just go down the back of garages. So I'll probably club it myself. Guys, if you could only see the state of the camera right now.
Covered in shit.
It's like my leg, white and chalky. Right, so guys, don't forget to give us a subscribe if you like the video, a comment. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, subscribe, comment, give us a like. See you guys in the next one. Love you, bye.